I've been coming to IMTS since the late 2000s, and DSI has had a presence at every IMTS since the early 90s. IMTS is still good for seeing what's new in tooling, seeing what's new in software and automation. But this year, 2024, felt remarkably different. The big difference is the splash that artificial intelligence is making on the manufacturing community. In anticipation of this, we invited our friends at Cloud NC to exhibit with DSI in our booth all week long so that our customers can get to know their team and their technology and their approach of bringing AI CAM Assistant to the market. As more and more shops push both digital automation and physical, like machine tending automation to the shop floor, simulation plays an ever more important role in ensuring that we have safe, efficient operations being pushed to these automated cells. So it's really great to see the innovations from companies like Fanuc, who are taking the digital simulation on the control to the next level, including things like servo modeling. This helps businesses digitally iterate in a safe way and push more productive code to the shop floor safely. The other big attraction in the Toolpath booth this year was the M8 Cubed machine from our friends at Datron. It was really hard to get a chance to go see what was happening on that machine because they were flooded with people throughout the show. And I don't think that enough people are aware of the range of products that Datron provides and just quite how innovative they are, especially on the control side of things. Toolpath did something incredible by dedicating the majority of their floor space to the Insta Machinist Lounge. So it was an incredible way to give back to the community by just providing a space to hang out. One of the things we did to support them in this community engagement was to supply equipment for the podcast studio, microphones and so forth, to just enable those conversations, but also our customers and partners who host manufacturing-focused podcasts. And it's helpful for DSI and for Toolpath to listen to our customers and our partners, make sure that we understand what they care about so that we can always ensure that we have the latest and greatest technology to offer our customers that actually meets their real business needs.